Hi everyone, it is a beautiful Monday morning as usual, all the way from Peku, Africa. Happy New Year! We are 10 days into the new year already, and I'm here to remind you that how far have you gone with all the things you have set aside to do in this new year 2022. This is because time is not waiting for you, it's not waiting for me, it's not waiting for anybody. So by now, that goal which you have set out to do, you're supposed to have started it already. Okay? That's by the way. So I'm here to let you know the things that Peco Africa does in this new year 2022, especially for those of you that are new on my page, okay, my Facebook profile. All right, Peco Africa is an infotech company. All right, we do build design beautiful websites for companies, for corporate brands and individual, for your personal brand. Okay, you can reach us for your website, and also we run Facebook ads and Instagram ads and Google ads and the rest of it. Okay, you can reach out to us and then we'll give you a wonderful result at the end of your ad, if it's to run for conversion or for sales. Okay, and then if you need followers on your page, either Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or YouTube subscribers, you can also reach out to us. Okay, and then if affiliate marketing is one of the skills you will want to venture into in this new year, you just need to reach out to Peco Africa and everything will be sorted out. Okay, we have over thousands affiliate marketing platform there that you can register with. Okay, some are free, some you need to pay a little token to work with them, and then you start making your money immediately. There's no time. All right, and then how about cryptocurrency? Right now coins, we are in a serious dip and it's the right time for you to get your coin. Okay, especially if you want to keep it for a specific number of time and then you sell when you are in profit, or if you want to trade and be making some money on daily basis. Okay, little money on daily basis, you can always reach out to us, and then you receive your training in the couple of weeks and you start trading, or you want to invest and all of that. So I wouldn't want this video to be lengthy. Just reach out to Peco Africa if you want to do any of these things. Our website is there, pecoafrica.com. You'll see a lot of skills that we can help you with. You'll see also our services that we offer. Okay, so the number is 09034296519. The number to reach us again is 09034296519. So from here is bye.